Tasty. Real Baron Zaya is basically your smut audiobooks. Wait, what? Which one? Where? Wait, this one? No, biography of Baron Zaya? No. No. It's censored! No kidding. Oh,
Hey.
oh my... She will love the lusty Argonian maid. Yeah, I know about that one only because Mogu told me about it. The real Baron Zaya on the table. Oh! But it's been censored, no? Is that what people said? Oh, but this is volume 4. It's okay. Everything I have ever loved, I have lost, Baron Zaya thought despondently, looking at the mountain knights behind and ahead, her tire woman near her in a carriage. Yet I have gained a measure of wealth and power, and the promise of more to come. Dearly have I bought it. Now I do understand better Tiber Septon's love of it, if he had often paid such prices. For surely worth is measured by the price we pay. Duargo, thank you so much for the 5 gifted. Thank you. By her wish, she rode on a shiny roan mare, clad as a warrior in resplendent chainmail of dark elven make. When does it get? When does it get? The kiss. Marry me, Baron Zaya! I don't even know who this is. Oh my gosh. She seemed to have picked up her thoughts on marriage, children, wives. Oh my god. Oh my god. Simicus. Oh my god. There was work and there was pleasure. And what more could one ask of life? Wait, is this the last book? That peasant obeys whoever holds power. Always has, always will. We shall hold the power, milady love. His lips were sweetest wine. His touch both fire and ice. Now, she said, take me now. I'm ready. Her body seemed to hum, every nerve and muscle taut. Not yet. Not here. Not like this. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness. The wall dissolved. Uh-oh. What's the... Does it end on a cliffhanger? Gosh, they're really chomping away. Alright, let's explore this place. Just a little bit. Then I'll go talk to Joffrey. You can meet her? I don't...
Ma'am?
Ma'am? Caroline?
What can I do for